Good morning. I'm just trying to put together a bench. Seems how I broke the other one. As of right now, I'm just trying to figure out how this damn thing is going to go together. As you can see, here's the arms and the legs. Oh, this ought to be fun, huh? How to do this. It's simple, just try to match them up, I guess. Something like that, huh? I believe. Yep. Something like that is how it's going to go on. Here I thought I was going to need the goddamn Phillips or standard, head for a screwdriver. Nope, it's like an Allen wrench kind of a thing. This is a little tricky, I see. Can't seem to get a good freaking grip in it. I'll get it eventually. Just give me a few minutes. Cat's gone, so as you can see, as of right now, if I put this together like it is, it would be on backwards. So, because this is obviously where you sit on. And this obviously is the bottom. Oh, me. Oh. This is how it's supposed to go, like this. Like this, see? But it's sitting low, so I'll have to raise it. So you know what that means. To stand it up like this. Somehow. Because this is how it's supposed to go. Like this. Something like that. This will be a good opportunity to use a mushroom that a guy made for me at work. It's made out of rock. Just got to paint it like the Super Mario Brothers. That ought to hold it. It's coming. It's coming. Now that's how you put it together. When you have no one around to give you a hand, just prop it up like something like that and start putting together with these. Make sure the holes line up. I find this in there? Well, it's just going to be adventure. If I put it together right, it's right, or wrong, it's wrong. Obviously, they don't tell me enough, like what size screw goes in where. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out eventually. It's coming slowly, but it's coming. Hopefully I'll figure it out. If not, we'll see at the end, huh? If I'm missing parts at the end, I can always nigger-rig something up, jigger-rig something up too, so. Well, hopefully I'll figure it out. As you can see, I got both legs on finally. Oh. Oh man. I wouldn't sit on it yet. It's not very sturdy yet. That's a start anyway. It's a start. Oh. Now let's see about the back. Well, I finally managed to kind of get the back on. Now I just have to put the screws in. Hopefully this will work. Oh. Looks like a bench, at least. That's the main thing.